So find the tree.
No, the bush first.
Yeah, find the bush.
I can just watch.
In fact, if you find the goalposts and then move up. Oh yes, well done, Anwen.
I found it, Mummy.
Can you see the birds?
Yeah.
Oh, excellent.
I see it.
Oh, Mum's gone again.
Yeah.
I saw it.
Well done.
Baby.
You see it? Good girl. See, there we go. Mum's just lower down, but I think you might be too low to...
I can't.